In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a travel agency app into your Wix website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're launching a new travel business or adding a feature to your existing website, this step-by-step guide will help you add the app effortlessly, enhancing your site's functionality. Let's start by heading over to the Wix dashboard. Open your browser and navigate to manage.wix.com. Once there, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Accessing this dashboard is crucial because it serves as the control center for your site's workflow, from website statistics to app management. Now, with the dashboard open, navigate to the site setup page. This is your go-to starting point when you want to customize or enhance your site. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes workspace that allows you to tweak and perfect your online presence. Next, look for the option to add apps. You'll find this in the editor, which is editor.wix.com. Click on this, and it will take you to the Wix App Market, a treasure trove of features and applications you can add to boost your site's capabilities. It's a bit like adding apps to your smartphone, just tailored for your website's needs. Once you're in the app market, it's time to search for the specific app that fits your travel business needs. In the search bar, type in travel agency. This brings up a list of applications relevant to travel management, helping you connect more directly with your audience by offering tailored features. Select the travel agency app from the list. This step is about pinpointing the tool that will work best for you. By clicking on this, you'll see a detailed description of the app and what it offers. It's a good opportunity to verify that this is indeed the right app you've been searching for before proceeding. After confirming your selection, click on the first option that appears. This step ensures you're choosing the most popular or recommended version, often indicated by user ratings or Wix endorsements. These details typically reflect reliability and effectiveness. Then click Add to Site. This action integrates the app into your website, setting the stage for how it will enhance user experience. Once you click, a prompt will likely appear, guiding you through final permissions and settings that may be needed. Review any terms and conditions, and once you're satisfied, click Agree and Add. This is an important step where you formally acknowledge any general conditions tied to the app's use on your platform, ensuring compliance and functionality. Finally, don't overlook saving your work. Click the Save button to ensure all your changes are securely stored and take effect on your site. This straightforward action prevents any risk of losing your hard work, ensuring that when you return, everything is just as you left it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a travel agency app to your Wix site, providing your visitors with an enhanced, more dynamic experience. Stay tuned for more guides on optimizing your Wix workspace.